Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Blue Square SEO and Digital Marketing Podcast. I'm your host Paul Burkett from Blue Square Management, and in today's podcast I'm going to be talking about Google Ads tips, pay-per-click advertising strategies, and 7 mistakes that will quickly spend your pay-per-click advertising budget. Attracting visitors to your website takes time and a great strategy. This especially holds true when you are using SEO, also known as search engine optimization. What a lot of small business owners are finding to be quicker and just as effective are pay-per-click ads, the biggest of which is Google Ads. Then you have other platforms that include Bing, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. By implementing PPC ads into your marketing campaign, you can target specific people at certain times of the day right away. With SEO, you have to wait months before you get a chance to achieve a ranking that will allow your site to be found by your potential customers, clients, or patients. However, this doesn't mean you should choose one over the other. Pay-per-click advertising can be highly effective for small businesses, especially those that are brick and mortar, since they can target local audiences. Just keep in mind that SEO is part of building a successful PPC campaign. While you are creating your strategy, make sure not to make these 5 common beginner mistakes. Mistake 1. Failing to choose keywords based on buyer intent. Your first intention when you start searching for keywords to use for your PPC campaign is to find all the relevant keywords that have high search volumes. Unfortunately, search volume of a keyword alone is not going to ensure the profitability of that keyword. This is because it may not have a buyer intent behind it. If your buyers are not clicking on it, then your traffic will not convert. The search queries you choose, i.e. the keyword phrases people will type in to find your business, should be carefully thought out. Research will have to be performed to determine how you target buyers are finding your business. If you already have Google Analytics and Google Search Console connected to your website, you can find this out quite easily. The keyword phrase should be quite specific. For example, if you see the key phrase home insurance and it has over 15,000 searches per month and costs $26 per click, then this is not a good option. Home insurance is too generic. What would be better is, for example, buy home insurance or home insurance quotes, especially if they have a high search volume. Mistake 2. Not eliminating worthless traffic using negative keyword list. This feature in your Google Ads and PPC campaign can and should be used. If your local business sells handmade furniture, you may have people searching for DIY articles and videos about making handmade furniture. So, you want to make sure that you eliminate those DIYers since they are not going to buy. You could eliminate keywords like DIY, how to, and video. Controlling your traffic will ultimately enable you to control your PPC budget. Mistake 3. Sending traffic to the wrong page. When people click on your business ad, where are they taken to? If you're not sending them to a landing page that will help them to convert into paying customers, clients, or patients, then you need to rethink your strategy. A common mistake made by beginners is driving traffic to a homepage or contact page. When someone clicks on your ad, they are interested in whatever it is your business offers. The page they land on should help them find more information about the product or service and how to purchase, aka sealing the deal. Otherwise, you will have frustrated individuals leaving your website within seconds, sending your bounce rate soaring and costing you money. The best bet is to create specific landing pages to use for your pay-per-click ad campaign. You can then offer special deals to the incoming traffic. The ads should also be related to the copy in your pay-per-click ads. To do this, build a landing page for each and every offer you have. Mistake 4. Not split testing your ads. You will not know what works until you test it out. Guessing what you think will work and then failing is going to quickly deplete your PPC budget. Split testing, also known as A/B testing, can be used to determine which ads perform the best. You simply create 2 or more slightly different variations of an ad and watch them for a few days or weeks. What you should be paying attention to is the quality of traffic versus the quantity. It is better to have a lower amount of converting traffic than a higher amount of non-converting traffic. An example would be to have one ad say save 25% on bed sheets and another that says buy bed sheets 25% off. Mistake 5. Not using a strategy for your PPC budget. If the issue with your PPC campaign is that you are running out of money too quickly, then there is an issue with your strategy. If your ads are only running half the day because the budget depletes before giving you the results you desire, then you will have to either raise your budget or use ad scheduling. As a small business, you may struggle with the idea of increasing your budget. After all, it's the reason why you created the budget in the first place. If this is the case, you should look at using ad scheduling to help keeping traffic coming in during the times of day your target buyers are shopping. To determine this, you are going to have to find out what time of day and which days of the week your buyers are converting. Using this as your schedule will help you to get more out of your campaign without having to break your bank account. There are a few other ways you can get more out of your smaller budget. 1. Divide your campaigns and ad groups and make them more specific with short lists of keywords. 2. Add a longer list of negative keywords. 3. Get rid of high-cost keywords. And 4. Use keyword match types that are more restrictive, such as phrase match and exact match modifiers. Mistake 6. Not targeting local areas. When you're in a small brick and mortar business, the goal of your PPC campaign is to drive in local traffic. Keep in mind that you should be using specific keywords that include the names of your city and surrounding city and towns. Mistake 7. Not allowing time for any changes to work. You must allow time for any changes that you make to your campaign to work. Also, it is much better to make small changes and to see what effect they have rather than making multiple changes. If you make multiple changes within one ad group, for example, you will struggle to see what change had an effect. Tie in these 7 tips and you should be able to save your PPC campaign and your budget, whatever advertising platform you use. I hope you found this episode helpful and see you in the next Blue Square SEO and Digital Marketing podcast. To be kept up to date with the latest podcasts, you can follow us on Anchor.fm, Spotify and Apple Podcast. If you need help with your Google Ads pay-per-click advertising campaign and want to increase your return on investment, get more customers, clients or patients, sell more products or services, Blue Square Management can help you. We are a certified Google Ads partner. We work closely with Google Ads and between us get our clients the results they want. Blue Square Management have created a free monthly digital marketing magazine that aims to help small businesses get more customers, clients or patients, increase sales and grow their business. It provides useful hints and tips on all marketing topics including SEO, pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing, review and reputation management, video marketing, web design and much more. To get this free digital marketing magazine sent to your email inbox each month, just go to www.bluesquaremanagement.com and subscribe.